Hi. Okay, so I just ordered and got a new Quip toothbrush. So we're gonna open it up and check it out. I've been really excited for this toothbrush to come in the mail. That's such a nerdy dentist thing, I'm sure. Okay, so this is kind of like a mail order toothbrush situation. So like there's those razor companies like Harry's Razors and Dollar Shave and all that, that you just get your refill of razors so you don't have to buy them at the store and they're less expensive. So this is the same thing, but with kind of like a little mini electric toothbrush. And some of our patients have been using it and they really, really like it. So we decided to order it and try it. So again, the company is called Quip, Q-U-I-P. And ordering was really pretty easy online, and it just comes in the mail. So what you get, let's see, inside this package. It's kind of a cool package. Just came regular mail, regular US mail. Okay, so the actual toothbrush comes in this little package. And it comes in different colors too, but I ordered a kind of a silver one and a gold one. So, like your normal electric toothbrush, goes on a charging stand, but the Quip is a little different because it's just a vibration, I think. And this is just a little stand that holds it, and the battery's inside here, and they send you for your refills the head of the toothbrush and a battery that goes inside here. So that's what you get in your refills in the mail. And it comes every 3 months so that you always change your toothbrush head when you're supposed to, because most of us don't remember to do that. Anyway, okay, so it just vibrates. You push this little button here. You hear that? Just on and off, easy. And like I said, it goes in this little stand, and then it comes with this little, you just take this off, and it has adhesive, and you can like stick it to your mirror in your bathroom if you wish to do that. I probably won't do that because I really like to keep my toothbrush in a drawer, but you could stick it to your mirror and then it goes in and out of that little case. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so this is the gold one. That's pretty. I like the gold and the silver, and they come in other colors too. Like I think they call it copper, but it's kind of like a rose gold, and then I think there's like a blue, kind of metallic blue and a metallic green as well. So anyway, that's kind of cool. Anything else interesting here? Okay, I'm guessing this is a little instruction book. We're Quip and we want to simplify your oral health. So I kind of like that. There's lots of other cool things that go along with it. It gives you all the techniques about brushing, and I don't know if this is backwards when you look at it when it's on the video, but anyway, the little booklet seems pretty handy and helpful. There's a picture of how it goes on your mirror in stores like that. Oh, they have kind of a black colored toothbrush too. It's pretty sharp. They're all pretty sharp looking, real sleek and modern and easy to use. So I like that. I almost get kind of like not a fan of all the electric toothbrushes now that have so many buttons and settings and modes that you're like, what do I even need all these things for? The main thing that I like is a 2-minute timer to make sure that you're brushing your teeth for 2 minutes. Anyway, this is another little quick instruction card about using and storage and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's the Quip, and I can make another video to review it after I actually use it, but I thought I'd show you the package it comes in and how kind of sleek and easy these toothbrushes are. And you can sign up for different programs too. Like you can prepay it for a year and everything just automatically comes, or you can pay monthly or something too. I can't remember exactly what it is, but they have different ways of getting your monthly or your 3-month orders in, and you can get couples and families and singles and all kinds of things. So they kind of have thought of everything. And then you can also connect with your dentist so that like you can somehow time your refills and you get reminders from your dentist office. So we're trying to do that and get all hooked up. But anyway, we'll try it. My hygienist ordered some too, and she's going to be trying it. So we'll use them and let you know what we think. Okay, thanks for watching.